Hello guys, my name is Ali. On this channel we talk about making money online, quitting your 9 to 5, leveraging the internet using affiliate marketing. If this is something you're interested in, click that subscribe button and continue on watching. I'm going to have a link below that's going to teach you how to do a YouTube, monetize your YouTube channel, set up your YouTube channel completely free. Also teaches you how to do affiliate marketing completely free. The training that I'm offering you, it's sold by other marketers for hundreds of dollars, sometimes thousands of dollars. This is the people that offering the training, they're millionaires, so they already walk the walk and talk the talk. If you are ready to walk away from your 9 to 5 and start your online business from the comfort of your home, as long as you have access to internet and you have your laptop with you, you can pretty much do this anywhere you want. The link's going to be below. Again, this will cost you no money whatsoever. You'll invest $0 into this training, and it's going to be again taught by people that already made millions upon millions of dollars doing affiliate marketing. So you're not going to be trained by newbies and rookies. These people are already millionaires, and all this training is completely free. If you're interested in that, click that link below and get started today. Best of luck, and I will see you guys on the inside. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, tick the bell icon, because I'm constantly publishing new videos on how to make money online. And if you've gotten any value out of this video, please share it so we can help each other quit the 9 to 5 and get our time freedom back. Thanks guys, have a wonderful day. And again, best of luck to you. Bye-bye.